Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a small free food haul. So let's get started. Everything was free. I got these pack of jumbo hot dogs. And it's still frozen. Nice and cold. And then I got this for free. I got a box of spaghetti. Linguine, whatever you want to call it. I got some hot dog rolls. I got this for free. I got this tiny cinnamon bun. Then I got this little Nature's Valley little oat and honey, a crunchy, bar. I got a box right here of some Duncan Hines dark chocolate fudge brownies. So that was cool. Got a box of Kraft macaroni and cheese. Got this for free. I got some buttermilk pancake mix in a box. Got some free pancake syrup from some brand called Bosco. Got a huge thing of apple juice, 100% free apple juice. Got that for free. I got one little can right here of some chicken, chicken meat in a can. I got some Campbell's chicken noodle soup. And then I got some canned spaghetti sauce. I got a can right here of some black beans. I got a jar right here of some peanut butter, again, as usual. And then I got a jar right here of green peas. And then I got some mixed fruit. And that's all I got for free. Thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will be doing more again, as always. Bye.